Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start online learning with Coursera, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Coursera website. Create an account by clicking on the Join for Free button. Fill in the required information such as your name, email, and password. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification message. Once your account is verified, log in using your credentials. Browse the catalog of courses available on the home page. Use the search bar to find specific courses by entering keywords or topics of interest. Filter your search results by category, level, or university to narrow down your options. Click on a course title to view its detailed description. Review the syllabus, instructor information, and student ratings. Determine whether the course fits your learning goals and schedule. If satisfied, click the Enroll for Free button. Select your payment option if the course has a fee, or opt for an audit if available. Follow the prompts to complete your enrollment process. Once enrolled, access the course dashboard from your profile. Start with the introductory materials and familiarize yourself with the course layout. Set a study schedule to keep yourself accountable and on track. Engage with the course content by watching video lectures and completing assignments. Participate in discussion forums to connect with other learners. Take advantage of available resources such as quizzes, readings, and supplementary materials. Track your progress on the course dashboard as you complete modules. Upon finishing the course, download any certificates of completion if offered. Continue exploring additional courses to expand your knowledge and skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.